Buju, wago shindagu migizi indodem, gazaga squaji mekag, indunjiba.
Bit. We made an Ojibwe cognate, Hokey Pokey Chigewin, doing the Hokey Pokey. Nugamon Jih Bopping, a song for laughter. And here's kind of how the words break down. You're using VTIs. So you'll recognize this is an A form. Bean de Gadoon is to bring something in. So Geda Bean de Gadoon, Geda Zagaitun. So you should bring it in, you should bring it out. Geda Bean de Gadoon, still A form. Then you switch to the B form. So Bawanan is to shake it. Bawinaman. Gedahagweki ta. Now that one's a VAI. You should turn around. Hogi pogi chigeyan. Misayukeya. Oh, wow. Yep. So this is, you should turn around as you do the hokey pokey. The yun is the U. So you got your mun or yun ending. Misayukeya, and that's like saying that's the way. Hoa, awesome. So we had to make some adaptation so it would fit with the words. So the song part, Gedah bin de gadun, gedah zagaitun, gedah bin de gadun, bawinaman, gedah gwekita, ogi bogi chigeyan, misayukeya, oh wow. And then we can use this to explore body parts. So here's a few. Body parts in Ojibwe have to be possessed. You don't just say hand, you got to say your hand, my hand, things like that. So Gigichinik is your right hand, and it literally means your dominant hand. So the Gitchi, although it could mean big, great, or superior, is kind of code word for your dominant hand. So even if you're left-handed, they still call it your Gitchinik. So this is definitely what you would call a right-handed world, and there's left-hand prejudice or whatever in Ojibwe language with their hand and foot words. So Ojibwes didn't always have everything perfect. And then here you go for your left hand, Namunjinik. So Namunj, you might know, is like I don't know, or an expression of doubt. So it's like your clumsy hand. So we'll call out the body parts and kind of go through the verses. Then you do the same thing on feet. So Gigichi Zid is like your right or your dominant foot. Namunji Zid is your left or your clunky foot. And then there's a couple ways to say Gishtigwan or Gidoshtigwan, and that would be for your head. So you got to stick your whole head in and out and all that stuff. Gidi is your hind end, and Giyao is your body. There's a little translation. All right. So I'll move over here so we can see each other. So if we all sing with our thing unmuted, it'll get distorted. So we'll probably have to have you mute, but I can tell cameras on if you're doing the hokey pokey and if you're singing along properly. Yep. Joseph, you're at home, you're not in the library. Otherwise, the rest of them are going to get a show. All right, are you ready?
Margaret, can I just ask a point of clarification?
Yeah.
Gigichinik is your right hand. Nigichinik is my right hand?
Yeah.
Okay. It's not Gigichinik.
Yes. Yeah. So you just say Ingichinik, for mine, Nindamunjinik for my left or whatever.
Yeah.
All right, here we go. Away, Gigichinik. Gedaha bin de gadun, gedah zagaitun, gedaha bin de gadun, bawinaman, gedaha gwekita, ogi pogi chigeheyan, misa ukeya, oh wa, gedamanjunik, gedaha bin de gadun, gedah zagaitun, gedaha bin de gadun, bawinaman gedah gwekita, Hokey Pokey, Chikeyan, Misa Ukeya, Hoa, Aha, get you zid. Geda habin de gadun, geda zaga etun, geda habin de gadun, Bawin aman geda hagwe kita, Pogi Pogi, Chigeheyan, Misa Ukeya, Hoa, Ginamanjizid. Gedaha bin de gadun, gedaha zaga etun, gedaha bin de gadun, Bawin aman gedaha gwekita, Pogi Pogi Chigeheyan, Misa Ukeya, Hoa. I'll scroll just a little bit. Gedosh de Guan, Geda bin de gadun, Geda zaga etun, Gedaha bin de gadun, Bawin aman Gedaha gwekita, Pogi Pogi Chigeheyan, Misa Ukeya, Hoa. Okay, Gedi, you guys ready? Chris, Jerry, looks like you're still in your chairs. All right. Geda bin de gadun, geda hazaga etun, geda bin de gadun, Bawin aman geda hagweki ta, Pogi Pogi Chigeheyan, Misa Ukeya. Now your whole self, gi yao. Geda bin de gadun, geda zaga etun, geda habin de gadun, Bawin aman geda hagweki ta, Pogi Pogi Chigeheyan, Misa Ukeya, Hoa. Woohoo, woohoo. Many war whoops.
Thanks for watching today. I'm Anton Treuer. Let's keep in touch. I'm active on social media, and my website has lots of information on my books, speaking engagements, resources for the Ojibwe language, teachers, and more. Miigwech.